Coming from south of the border, these are the latest additions to the newest casino in Rumbleslam. So we have 3 new additions to the Moote Carlo casino in Rumbleslam. We have Jr Senor Jr, the fabulous Atoq, and the Sapphire Fiend. Another thing that's different with these ones is the cards. So just lining them up there, you can see the new cards are a little bit bigger. They're about 15mm taller if you're that bothered. But the TT Combat card sleeves, they're fitting them perfectly. That's what I've currently got those 3 sat in there. The cards are also of a bit of a different layout. So let's bring this card in here. The pictures are a bit bigger. Your movement and your actions have been placed underneath the dice. Throw and weight are underneath the health. Popularity isn't there, but they've added the popularity under the action point for the actual crowd pleaser move on the card. It's something that just makes it a little bit easier to see what you need to spend for doing your crowd pleasers. And the actual moves are displayed on the front, so you don't have to keep turning your card over to find out what you need to do different abilities. So if you're using your counters for health and things like that, you're not going to end up spilling them everywhere, which I think is a pretty decent thing, because using counters on these cards until I'd put them in little, what do you call them, sleeves, it was just a bit of a pain. You have to get all the tokens back onto them and things like that. That just makes it a lot more streamlined for that. On the back you've got little things like the passive ability and things like that, and you've also got a little did you know fact. So for the Sapphire Fiend has appeared in more than 2,000 movies, and almost half of those he was asked to be in. Each of the new cards going forward are going to have this setup, which I'm a fan of, to be fair. Doesn't make a massive difference to me personally, but I like the setup, I like the character art, it's all good there. So Sapphire Fiend is this guy here. I've already stuck them together, as you can see. For the most part I've stuck them together, and Sapphire Fiend's roughly based on Blue Demon, so Sapphire Blue Fiend Demon. So pretty much know how I'm going to be painting this guy. Gonna have the blue mask, the silver detailing, pretty much what it's got on the card there. And yeah, really nice detail on it. Bit of like an abominable snowman sort of creature. In the hair, like the fur detail, really nice. I like that. It's going to come out really good with a bit of dry brushing or something. So I can see this one being a particular favourite for people to paint and get them straight into the game. Fabulous Atoq. So here's did you know? Fabulous Atoq comes to Moote Carlo every few months, spending several nights wrestling and revelling before going back south. Every time he comes back, his fans claim that he's a different person playing the role because of the tiny perceived differences in his style. Whatever the truth, he is always fabulous. So this guy's ridiculously dexterous, really good dice across the board, and if you stick him in any team really, you're going to be doing quite well. I've left this one as 2 parts. He comes as a 3-piece. He's got his head separate to his body, and there's his legs. I've left the legs separate for now, just so when it comes to painting them I can get the cape fully done and get like around the back, the legs and things like that. get him fully painted, and I'll just keep it a bit neater and a bit easier to do as well actually. So fabulous Atoq, really nice model there, the cape. I've been painting a few models with capes recently and really liking this. Be really good for getting some glazing on and things as well. And Jr Senor Jr. So did you know, possessed by the spirits of his ancestors, sometimes Jr lets his father, the great Senor Jr, take control, wrestling his foes in times of direst need. So this guy, very much based on Rey Mysterio. And you've got the Lucha mask on, and the ghost coming off of him as well has a little Lucha mask and a crown. Really like the detail on this. Like you can see, like it's got like a spine going down his back, and then you've got like the spectral mist coming off the ghost. So he's going to be pretty nice to paint. He's another little halfling character, so he will like stand alongside the Lords of the Ring really well. I like that model. One of the things with this character is if he is reduced to 0 stamina, it does not get KO'd immediately. Instead, it becomes KO'd at the end of the round. Till then, it may function normally without receiving a knockdown counter or counting its stats as 0. All damage it receives in that time is ignored. At the end of the round, apply all KO'd effects as normal unless this wrestler removes an enemy wrestler from the game in this time, in which case it instead replenishes 5 stamina at the end of the round. So he's a 5 health character, so he's not the hardiest characters, but that ability there could potentially keep him in for quite a while. So this is a character that you kind of want to focus on separating from the rest of the crowd, and so he can't really do anything when it comes to his turn if he's on 0 stamina. That way he can't put anyone out. He gets KO'd at the end of that. So that's a little technique for getting rid of this guy, I guess. Again, like I say, it's a really nice model, that one. I'm looking forward to painting that.
Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and hit subscribe to easily see my next video. Or don't. Whatever. You're your own person, do what you like.